Hugues Joublin, list of 10 laws all businesses should be aware of. Laws, although intimidating, are made with the aim in mind to protect individuals and organizations, safeguard their rights, and ensure each and everyone gets treated right. Following legalities may not be easy, but it is vital to maintain structure, discipline, and, most of all, equality. This is especially true for businesses as they are constantly interacting with other businesses and individuals, which calls for a higher sense of responsibility. Hugues Joublin believes understanding and comprehending these laws is essential to enforce them and, most importantly, avoiding breaking them. Business laws, explained by Hugues Joublin. 1. The Civil Rights Act. This law was passed in 1964 and protects individuals from discrimination based on their race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. As a business owner, you need to comply with this law in all areas of your business, including hiring practices, employee compensation and benefits, and company culture. 2. The Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. The ADA prohibits discrimination against people with disabilities in all areas of life, including the workplace. This law applies to businesses with 15 or more employees and requires employers to provide reasonable accommodations for disabled employees. 3. The Age Discrimination in Employment Act, ADEA. The ADEA protects employees over the age of 40 from discrimination in the workplace. This law prohibits employers from making decisions about hiring, firing, promotions, or pay based on an employee's age. 4. The Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA. The FMLA requires employers to provide employees with up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave for certain medical and family reasons, such as the birth or adoption of a child, a serious health condition, or a family member's illness. 5. The Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA. The FLSA establishes minimum wage and overtime pay standards for non-exempt employees. This law also requires employers to keep accurate records of employees' hours worked and wages earned. 6. The National Labor Relations Act, NLRA. The NLRA gives employees the right to form unions and engage in collective bargaining. This law also prohibits employers from engaging in certain activities that would discourage employees from unionizing, such as threatening retribution or promising benefits in exchange for not unionizing. 7. The Immigration and Nationality Act, INA. The INA establishes rules for employers hiring foreign workers. This law requires employers to verify that their employees are legally authorized to work in the United States. 8. The Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSHA. Perhaps one of the most vital laws is OSHA. According to Hugues Joublin, it sets standards for workplace safety and health. This law requires employers to provide a safe and healthy work environment for their employees. 9. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act, SOX. The SOX establishes rules for corporate governance and financial reporting. This law applies to public companies and requires them to maintain accurate records of their financial transactions. 10. The Consumer Protection Act. The Consumer Protection Act protects consumers from unfair and deceptive business practices. This law prohibits businesses from engaging in activities that would mislead or deceive customers, such as false advertising or bait-and-switch tactics. Bottom line. As a small business owner, Hugues Joublin believes that it is important to be aware of the various laws that apply to your business. By understanding and complying with these laws, you can help ensure that your business operates smoothly and avoid any legal problems. Thanks for watching.